Social Security is shrinking, your 401k is sweating like it just ran a marathon. And Dave Ramsey, he's not whispering anymore. He's practically yelling, hope is not a retirement plan. This isn't some tinfoil hat financial fear-mongering. This is the Great Wealth Reset. And if you're not paying attention, you might wake up one day with a busted budget and a one-way ticket to Brokeville. This is Doers Not Dreamers. Time to wake up. Welcome to Doers Not Dreamers, where financial freedom isn't a motivational poster, it's the blueprint. Around here, we don't just pin quotes, we build bank accounts. And today, we're diving headfirst into Dave Ramsey's last big warning for anyone still clinging to their 401k like it's the golden goose. Spoiler alert, that goose is tired, underfed, and probably flying south for good. If you're serious about avoiding a financial faceplant, then hit that subscribe button now, because we're not about vibes, we're about action. What Dave Ramsey just said, and why it's a gut punch. Dave Ramsey didn't drop a gentle nudge. He dropped a financial bomb. His message: most Americans are cruising toward retirement with blindfolds on, and worse, depending entirely on a 401k and Social Security to carry them through. According to Ramsey, this is a dangerous illusion. Social Security is on its last legs, and your average 401k? It's barely enough to cover takeout, let alone decades of living expenses. People are retiring later with less and hoping that everything works out. The real problem: why this reset is inevitable. Let's break it down without triggering a budget-induced panic attack. First, Social Security. It's being stretched thinner than a dollar slice in New York. The trust fund is expected to hit empty before many millennials even get a whiff of retirement. Second, those 401ks you've been told to rely on. They come with hidden fees so sneaky you'd think they were written by a magician. Third, inflation isn't slowing down. It's out here robbing your savings in broad daylight like a well-dressed thief. And lastly, taxes. They're just lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce the moment you try to cash out your nest egg. What exactly is the wealth reset? Ramsey calls it a wealth reset, but don't mistake that for a redo button. This isn't Mario Kart, you don't get 3 lives. The reset he's talking about is a major shift in how retirement, savings, and financial security work in America. Government benefits are shrinking, market corrections are hitting harder, and the idea of retiring at 60 is becoming less reality, more fairy tale. If your plan doesn't include income streams beyond your job and retirement account, you're basically betting on a system that's already waving the white flag. The new rule? You either build financial independence or you borrow time. Ramsey's 3-step reset plan, made simple. Dave Ramsey doesn't just sound the alarm, he hands you the fire extinguisher. His reset plan is 3 parts, and each one is a no-brainer if you want to be more than just financially okay. Step 1. Max out the match. If your employer offers a 401k match and you're not grabbing every dollar, that's like saying no to free pizza. You wouldn't do that at a party, so don't do it with your future. It's literally free money. Take it. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA. This is your financial stealth mode. Your money grows tax-free, and when you're ready to withdraw in retirement, the tax man doesn't even knock. It's like your dollar slipped out the back door wearing sunglasses. Cool, quiet, and powerful. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. Having one income is adorable. Having 3, that's freedom. Whether it's rental income, side hustles, or dividend, Ramsey wants you to own your time, not rent it from a boss. Maria's story, from panic to power. Let's talk about Maria. She's 32 and she used to do everything by the book. Contributed to her 401k, watched her credit score, paid her bills. But one day she logged in and saw her retirement balance tanking. Cue panic. It was like watching her phone hit 1% on a hike, pure fear. But instead of staying scared, Maria got smart. She opened a Roth IRA and automated monthly contributions. Then she started selling digital templates on Etsy in her free time. Now, she has a dividend portfolio that literally pays her to breathe. Why you can't wait any longer? Look, waiting to get serious about your money until things settle down is like promising you'll eat healthy after just one more fast food binge. You know how that ends? Ramsey's message is clear. By the time the system finishes resetting, it'll be too late for last-minute panic. You either act now or react later, and reacting is always more expensive. The world is changing. Delaying your plan is just betting that the storm will pass without you getting wet. Easy wins. And you can start right now. Before you toss your retirement dreams into the dusty someday pile, here are 3 easy wins to start today. First, contribute a $100 a month to a Roth IRA. That's one less Uber Eats run or a couple of canceled impulse buys, and it's your future talking interest. Second, start a side hustle. Sell stuff you don't need. Teach something online. Launch a digital product. Anything that earns while you sleep is a step in the right direction. Third, automate your investments. Set it and forget it. Because the only thing worse than losing money is forgetting to build it in the first place. When your rent depends on your income, your future should depend on your habits. This is the wake-up call. This wealth reset isn't a conspiracy. It's already happening. Dave Ramsey's final warning isn't just financial advice. It's the slap in the face we all need to stop snoozing through life. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start right now. Drop an emoji in the comments if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing. Hit that subscribe button and join the Doers Not Dreamers community, because no one's coming to save your retirement but you. Let's plan smart, build wealth, and own our future.